So on today's video, I'm just doing a bunch of random shots that I took when I was at the logging show up in Escanaba with Tony. And there's a whole bunch of stuff in here that didn't really fit into like a storytelling, kind of doing interviews and things like that. Just shots that I took throughout the couple days we were there. This right here is the Easton Made area, and the guy came in with the logs and he was loading the 48C up. And they were cutting rounds so they could do demonstrating with the actual splitters that were there. So this guy just driving around to all the different booths, supplying everybody with wood so they can do their demos, whether it was a processor or a splitter, or guys that were just showing off loading equipment, or trucks and things like that that had booms where they were lifting stuff and they needed logs to do all kinds of demos. There was some hot saws there. There was guys there that were showing stuff in the steel booth, in the Husqvarna booth, and and carvers. So a lot of people needed wood. So he just went around and delivered wood to everybody. So it was kind of neat to see. So yeah, this 48C that Easton Made had there was sold. They brought it to the show, and I believe every single machine they brought to the show was sold. So it went right from there to the people that bought it. And they weren't sold at the show, they were sold before the show. People that had ordered them. So they took a whole bunch of them down there, and then the people either picked them up or they got delivered from the show to the people, and then they took orders while they were there, and they did really good, I guess. It seems like a lot of the people there did really good on taking orders for the firewood type equipment. Now, I didn't talk to a lot of the guys that did some of the logging type equipment because that's not really my area, but anyway, I just thought I'd show you some of this stuff. Right here's one of the Easton Made machines that Andrew was running on the very first morning of the show, and one that I hadn't seen up close before, so it was kind of neat to see the box wedge, not the box wedge, the box wedge running here, where it does the automatic pull back and the pieces just kind of slide right out. So that was kind of neat to see. I've run a couple of 1222s. One that had a box wedge on it was kind of neat. They're kind of a neat thing to have. It's got the log lift and everything. So we're just going to go around, and you're going to see in this show here, you're going to see lots of equipment that's being run, and lots of equipment that we saw that was just kind of neat to see and talk about, and huge machines there. Just if you ever get a chance to go to one of these shows, go. This video should be out around about the time the Paul Bunyan show is on. So if you get a chance to go, we're going to be there. Hopefully we will see you there. Enjoy the shots from the show. So this is a Ponzi Buffalo we're standing by. This is the machine that my brother Ken drives now, or one just like it. His is a few years old, but
he's overcompensating, you know that?
It's a big machine. It's a big boy.
Wow.
Yeah, it is a big boy. See if we can check this out. Yeah, this is same as his. I've ridden up in there. It's big. Yeah, it is a big machine.
That's a big load.
Kenny's good at big loads of logs.
Yeah.
This is the Elephant here. So a little bit different. I don't know what's different about it. I'm sure it's something.
Looks a bit bigger.
I think it is bigger. Yeah, it's bigger. It's got a K121, and this is a K100, whatever that means. Maybe that's your reach. I don't know.
Could be.
Something like that. Yeah, this is a big machine too. I think I better get up in there and check this out. Oh yeah.
What are you guys shooting for?
That's a buffalo. We gotta go over here. This one right here. This is the one. This one right here is a king scorpion, which is pretty cool. It's got a 300-foot danger zone. Cool.
would clean your butt.
That would clean a lot, yeah. These are sharp, so they have to cover them.
Oh, that's right, because they cut all the branches.
That's what trims all the stuff
Delimber.
Yeah, so this is a ergo. I've seen these run before. I've got footage of this that I could never use. Another ergo. Here's another very big machine. Nice. So I'm guessing this is Rotney. Rotney, is that how you would say it? Look at that cab. It's cool how it sits by itself there.
Yeah.
And the cab must rotate too.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, it's cool. How do you like that one?
My God, look at the size that you can pick up.
Yeah. Yeah, this is quite the machine too. This is a Timber Pro, and there's a bunch of those here. The machinery here is just unbelievable, the size of this stuff. You look like a very small boy by a machine there.
That's it.
Look at this one. It's all nice
They have
stuff.
it in every color you can imagine.
Every color, every style.
Look at the mulcher.
The Great Lakes Timber Professionals Association Board of Directors and staff. Thank you for
I think this would take out some woods.
Oh my gosh.
the 77th annual Great Lakes
That is-
Heavy Equipment Expo.
Look at how deep the tread is.
Yeah,
Look at
those
that.
definitely get you out of some mud.
Oh, unreal.
It's a Barco.
Yeah, it's a Barco. Here's the guys running a Barker over here.
Take place starting at 5:30 right outside the Miracle of Life building.
Come on, Chris, why don't you try it?
I'd be jerkier than that.
Well, maybe just jerky.
Recognizing our veterans and our national anthem as well. Operator my eye.
He said that's what he was?
Until 9 o'clock tonight. It's co-sponsored by Ponzi.
I can see he's run a machine before though. It all comes down to seat time and if the machine is set up the way you're used to. It's everything.
Almost everybody says, oh, I'm used to mine being a little looser, a little tighter.
Or opposite direction even. Or opposite side. So what's you got to do? Take them off on one side, go the other, then back again?
There's a penalty if you're out.
Oh, you missed
penalty.
Well, no, there's no penalty if you get it. But if you end with it all the
Right
time.
now, at the fair
Sometimes they'll roll all the way.
You don't let them take two at a time, they got to do one at a time? Which doesn't make sense, really.
Want the contest to last.
Right.
While you're there, be sure to look over the raffle prizes that are there. We'll be giving away some lucky
Oh, and you broke the ribbon.
It's getting a little nervous and jerky now.
Tomorrow we're going to have the license John Deere branded fire pit donated by McCoy Construction and Forestry. And there's a 6-hour guided walleye fishing trip here based in Escanaba on a Wednesday night. That's donated by Ponzi.
for those of you that think I need an elevator, I think I found one that would probably work. What do you guys think of this one?
I think it's too small.
Do you think that would work?
I think you need a bigger one.
I'm not sure they make a bigger one. That is unreal. I go side to side here.
Fairgrounds by the beef barn to watch the chopper come in, and then have the opening sold this down the street.
How big is it?
Our local vendors are out there in the area between the exhibition hall and the grandstand.
I'm guessing it's 80 foot.
Yeah.
It says 80.
Yep.
It's got to be 80 foot.
This area.
Oh boy, could you?
It's a Vermeer, yeah.
Being a part of our show.
That is big. But this one over here folds up. It looks like it's folded in half, and that's one of those tub grinders, it looks like.
In case you haven't been out in the back 40, McCoy Construction and Equipment has an axe throwing trailer back there. There are 2 booths where you can actually get inside, toss the axes.
It's not a tub, but it's a put the whole tree in. What do you think? Should we get one?
And also the
You think they'll give us a deal?
If we buy 2, I'm sure they would.
driving one of those big semis.
Can we take this one home?
I'm sure we could if we'd want to. That is something, huh? Days.
Man.
Tiger cats.
Nice Ford he's got going here. Until it collapses on him.
It was just the price, I think.
Here he comes, the fighting man. Oh no! Ow! 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 No! Ow!
I ordered one of these,
Oh no!
and then Jason got his.
Ah!
And then he made me that whole thing. Two elevators.
Oh! 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 Oh!